billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Honorable President, my dear teachers, students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I would like to express my voice about unity, faith and discipline. These are the three words Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah gave us. Pakistan was to be built up on the cardinal principles of these three words. The fight for Pakistan was a long and better one, and this Hindu-Pak subcontinent, the condition was against the successful application to the Western democratic principles. The majority rule means the assertion of the religious sentiments. It was necessary to find a different homeland for the Muslims and the shape of Pakistan. For this, unity among Muslims was a necessity, being controlled by a faith. To achieve the aim, discipline was absolutely necessary. Quaid-e-Azam therefore has given us these three words to stick to after the achievement of Pakistan. Unity is a great force. A house united is a strong force. A house divided is vulnerable. We know the story of the dying old man who showed strength and unity with the help of a number of sticks. Pakistan was possible because there was strength based on unity, one of it. We had to pay a lot in the face. This is a continent went into the hands of the East India Company. Nearly 200 years were necessary to make us realize the necessity of unity. Then comes this discipline. Unity must be forced with the building power of discipline. Above all, there must be the bending force of the spiritual force of a common faith. For Pakistan, the greatest advantage is that the religion Islam is based on democratic principles made powerful by the combination of special values. And find every Pakistani should get in him the spirit of these three words taken together gave one single idea to guide him so that he may develop this young nation to reach the destined goal. Wassalam.